Hey everybody, this is Lisa, the Quilt Wizard. Today I want to show you how to line up a pantograph when you've lost your placement mark. This is also helpful if you have a really nested design that you need to line up perfectly. You can use the same technique for this. So I stitched out this pantograph yesterday, and I noticed when I went to take it off the machine I had some stitching over here that I didn't like, so I'm taking it out. So the problem is I don't have my placement marker here any longer. So I'm going to show you how to deal with that. First thing I'm going to do is go into plugins and marking tool, and I'm going to put some marks here that correspond with these points, these lowest points on this row of the pantograph. What's important here is this low point here, and then this point here where that design comes to a point right there. I want to make sure those line up correctly. So I'll just go to marking tool and I'll be moving my machine right over those points and adding a mark and so on until I get those points placed. I've got my points placed here and I'm going to click OK. This does not have to be perfect. This is just a registration to help us line up. It's not going to stitch out or anything else. So we're just using it as an aid to help us line up our pantograph. Now I'm going to go place my zone. I know that the center is somewhere around here, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it and see where it lands. So I'm placing it here, and you can see that this is off a little bit. We really want this line of stitching here and this point to line up with our marking tool marks. So I'll keep adjusting that placement point until that lines up. That is pretty close. I still need to go maybe down a little bit, just a tiny bit. See what that gives us. Well, that looks like it's pretty almost spot on right there. At this point, then I can go in and repair pattern and go to the closest stitch over here where we want to fix the stitching and continue on our way. Like I said, you can also use this for designs like maybe a Baptist fan or something like that where you really have to nest it quite tightly and you can get that adjustment. You can also use it with 4-point placement just as easily as with center placement. Hope this helps. Have a great day.